Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So your question for today is, whenever we put an incense stick in a corner of the room, students, and light it up, it smells and it satisfies us. So students, why this happens? Our first option is particles of matter have a space between them. Our second option will be particles of matter are continuously moving. Our third option is particles of matter attract each other. Either our last option is none of these. If we see our first point that is given here, particles of matter have a space between them. As you know, all matter is made up of particles called atoms and molecules, and the space between these molecules is called intermolecular space. So let's see students first what is the intermolecular space between all the three states of matter. So students, in solids their intermolecular space is very small students, as particles does not able to move and they only vibrate at their own position. And if we see in liquid students, so they will have a moderate intermolecular space students, as their particles get little bit space more than solids, so they have little bit space to move. And if we see in gaseous state students, then there will be a high intermolecular space, as their particles students get lot of space to move and they rapidly spread out. Okay students, and if we see our second point, when the incense stick is lighted students, the particles of perfume, that means the smell they provide, okay students, in this incense stick, so the smell that we get from it students mix on their own with the particles of air and spread out. So due to this spreading students of the particles, we can get the smell sitting at a distance also. And if we see our third point, that is particles of matter attract each other, then the particles of matter attract each other because students they attract with different magnitudes of force. So students, the correct answer for this question will be your second option, that is whenever we put an incense stick in a corner of the room and light it up, it smells because students its particles of matters are continuously moving. So I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.